Good morning, grade ones. Today we're going to learn about estimation. And estimation is a pretty big word, but it actually just means guess, or like you're going to guess about something. So you're going to estimate and you're going to guess what it is. So for example, this morning I'm going to have some blackberries for breakfast. So I have some blackberries in my bowl. Can you take an estimate as to how many blackberries do you think I'm going to have for breakfast? So don't count them, just look at them. What do you think? I think there might be about 15 in here. That's my estimate. So I don't actually know, but just looking at it, I think there's about 15 blackberries in here. So that's gonna be my estimate. Later, you can actually count and see how many are in there. So you can estimate with lots of things. You can estimate with food. You can estimate how many trees are outside. You can estimate how many people are in a group. You can estimate how many crackers are in a box. There's lots of things that you can estimate or take a guess on. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna estimate how many bumblebees are in this jar. So you've had time to kind of look at the screen and see what's all on here. But if you're just gonna look right away and just guess, if I bring you this jar, how many bumblebees are in this jar? Do you think there's 100 bumblebees? I think that estimate's a little bit too high because I don't think we could fit 100 bumblebees in this jar. Do you think there's 2 bumblebees in this jar? That estimate might be a little bit too low because you can see that there's already more than 2, right? So let's take a good estimate, maybe 10? I think that would be a good estimate. So on Seesaw, you're actually gonna get a page that looks like this and you're gonna write your estimate and then the actual number. So for example, I said there's about 10 bumblebees, so I'm gonna put 10 right here. And now I'm gonna count and see how many bumblebees are actually in the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I was pretty close with 10, but I was just off a little bit, and that's okay if our estimates are wrong. We're just guessing, and we're just trying to see if we're kind of close to the estimate. If I would have said 100, then I knew that I was really off. If I would have said 2, then I also would have been really off. Your estimate is just a close guess, so you're just trying to take a look. So you're gonna have 4 different jars with 4 different bugs on Seesaw today, and you're gonna guess how many bugs are in each jar, take your estimate, and then after you can count. Good luck on your Seesaw assignment.